What is MDaaS? MDaaS stands for Microdrones as a Service. MDaaS is everything you need to do drone surveying the right way. It includes the hardware and software needed to take your geospatial workflow to the next level. With convenient packages and flexible payment options, drone surveying has never been so accessible. So what's the best plan for you? Let's go over 3 easy steps to find out. Step 1. First, choose your system. A qualified Microdrones representative can help you select the most effective fully integrated system from our GE industrial or expert drone lines, depending on your needs. Step 2. Next, decide how you want to pay for your survey equipment. You can choose to buy it, meaning you outright own the system but are responsible for full maintenance and upgrades. Or you can opt for a traditional purchase, which means you enjoy unlimited access to basic software like trajectory processing and georeferencing, and still pay the annual software and firmware maintenance fee. And finally, step 3. Choose your subscription plan to process your data in MD Infinity, our robust data processing and analytics software. You can either select the Explorer plan and process collected data and points within a budget. This is recommended for those who fly up to 10 times per month. Or you can select an unlimited plan for unlimited processing of the data you collect. This is recommended for heavy users who fly more than 10 times per month. That's it. Geospatial productivity made simple and affordable. We have a solution to fit your needs and help you start collecting data in the field faster, safer, and more accurately. To learn more, contact a Microdrone salesperson to schedule a meeting today.